show where those screws were again.
Yeah, the toughest one, you just gotta make sure you have a long enough screwdriver. This one's not even long.
So those
So if you lift the door up enough, it will stay open. And then I could get straight down at these screws, but those were hidden underneath these trim pieces. I'm pretty sure. I thought they were. Is this one to this side? No, I guess it's not.
No, look at the things upside down, babe.
What is?
This.
Yeah, so this, oh, okay. I thought this was hidden. Yeah, it is. Oh, actually, it's got to hold this trim on. I put that on too early. I did this yesterday, and I was in a rush. And having a magnetic tip screwdriver helps. So these ones all push down on the top. Magnetic tip.
So popping that trim off is the hardest.
Well, yeah, because I think I broke this one a little bit. I thought, yeah, there's a little crack on it.
Yeah.
So on the top, I had to push the trim up. And then, actually, yeah, on the bottom, it works that way too. And pretty much it all pushes up and out.
But it's a pain in the ass pushing that up and out.
And it's plastic. And the older your vacuum is, you know, the more brittle the plastic is. Here. Yeah. Of course, I missed something over here. I can fix that after. I put this on too early. Oh wait, no, this just popped off anyways, didn't it?
No. Yeah.
I had to take this piece off, didn't I?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
This is like the third time now.
This is why you start off with the video.
Yeah. Well, I didn't want to do this video because I had done this last night and ran out of time before we had to go.
Too bad I couldn't edit this and switch it all around. Like, this is done first. I just wish I videoed it when you were taking it apart.
There it is. I don't know why I thought I'd taken that off earlier. Without any of these falling off. Alright, so these all will push down. Slide down. Goes.
Could still be that board too that's messed up on this thing.
Yeah, well, we're not going there. We bought the motor for some reason.
But if it's the board, I could.
Well,
If it's the board, I can order a board.
For the sake of the video. The video's a motor replacement.
Which wasn't even part of the video.
Right, which we didn't even show on there.
It's more just taking these damn things apart. That's
Like,
what the problem
How
is.
do you get to it?
How do you get to it is the issue. Not even like.
Alright. Yeah, see, and I just had this thing tipped, so I lost the spring.
Oh, I was wondering what fell.
You know where it went.
I saw it.
Alright, so one thing that you're gonna need to know. Where's my other button? Here's the power one. Right? So, the way I got the power ones off, so there's two little like nubs on them. Hopefully I don't break it. Try to do it again here. So what I did is I pushed it down and then pried it off. And of course it broke this time.
No, it did not.
Yeah. The first time it did not. I pushed it down and it slid off nicely. So one of them broken. It's going to be loose on ours now, but it still pushes the button. I might be able to glue or epoxy that thing back on and get it on gently. Yeah, so I just got 2 more screws to put in and ours is pretty much good to go. Just got a few trim pieces, you know, that are fairly self-explanatory. These ones all go up.
I take it that back piece had to probably come off before the side pieces did.
No, they weren't connected.
Oh, no.
No.
So you could have probably just left that thing on there then, right?
Yeah, that one probably could have stayed on. I'll get all that after. But for the purpose of the video, I think we're all set.
You gotta find the spring.
Yeah, I have to find the spring. I also gotta get this handle that fell over here. You can end that video anytime now, Serene.